Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I will show you the most simplest way you can use to view your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Make sure to follow these steps properly, and since we are all in a hurry, it's better to start right away. Let's get going. First of all, what you need to do is click on the search option and then search for Control Panel here and then click on it. Select View by Category on it and click on Network and Internet. Once you click Network and Internet, this window will open. And now click on Network and Sharing Center, and it's going to show you the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. You can cross-check this by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon on the corner of your screen, and it will also show you the same Wi-Fi network you are seeing here. Now back to the Network and Sharing Center, click on this Wi-Fi network option here, and then click Wireless Properties. Then at its top, click on Security. This network security key is your Wi-Fi password for this network. Check on the Show Characters box, and you will be shown your password. So this is the process you can use to find all the saved Wi-Fi passwords of the network you are connected to in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.